Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing Etching. As y'all can hear, it's raining outside. I know y'all can hear that. This is how Rebel deals with the rain. He could care a less, y'all. Truly care less. See, there it is, raining outside. And this is baby boy's reaction to it. Huh? There's a dream catcher, wish maker, whatever they call those things. Anyway, Rebel, you enjoying the rain? Do you like the rain? Tell that body, you like the rain, baby boy? What? Is it raining outside? Well, at least he's cool, calm, and relaxed when it comes to raining. He can hear it. He just don't care.